This video will show you how to upload the scaled floor plan of your home, office, flat, or factory and perform a personalized Vastu analysis using the AppliedVastu Calculator. To use the AppliedVastu Calculator, search AppliedVastu Calculator on Google and click on the first option. You'll see the AppliedVastu Calculator page open. This video is available in Bengali, English, and Hindi, so you can watch it in whichever language you're comfortable with. First, we'll understand how AppliedVastu performs a Vastu analysis, and then we'll see how the AppliedVastu Calculator works. To conduct a Vastu analysis through AppliedVastu, 3 details are essential: scaled layout, Google Map location, and Astro chart, which are birth date, place, and time. For online consultation, clients send all these details to us via WhatsApp and also mention the type of report they need. AppliedVastu offers 3 types of online consultancy reports: property selection or checking report, new planning and design report, detailed solution report. A checking report refers to performing Vastu and Astro Vastu analysis of a property before buying or renting it to determine whether it is auspicious or not. The first step is to determine true north using the Google Map location sent by the client along with Google Earth Pro and drafting software. AppliedVastu uses true north for Vastu calculations, not magnetic north. Next, the Vastu analysis is performed on the scaled drawing sent by the client. This includes a detailed analysis based on the 16 zones and 32 entrances. The most important feature of AppliedVastu is its Astro Vastu segment. Based on the client's astrological details, it is determined how favorable or unfavorable the property is as per Astro Vastu. Finally, based on all these factors, a rating is provided, which makes it easy to understand whether the property should be taken or not. For the planning report, the client sends the plot measurements, Google Map location, and astrological details. If any modifications in planning are required, the floor plan is also sent. In this case, AppliedVastu provides a report by determining directions using Google Earth Pro, analyzing the 16 zones and 32 entrance positions, conducting IRD analysis, and doing Astro Vastu calculations. The detailed report is for properties that are already constructed. This report provides remedies without any demolition. Using the floor plan, direction determination via Google Earth Pro, and astrological charts of each family member, Vastu remedies are suggested. Additionally, guidance is provided on the internal layout of the home, color scheme, and which member should stay in which room. Note that all these calculations are done manually, which ensures 100% accuracy. All these reports are prepared manually using drafting software and sent to the client's WhatsApp number. You will not receive an instant report because we provide reports only after expert analysis. If the client provides incorrect information, the report may also be inaccurate. So providing correct details and doing manual analysis is very important. Now let's see how the Vastu Calculator works. Click on the Upload Your Plan or Upload Scaled Plan option below to upload the scaled layout of your house. Then mark the boundary. Use your mouse to click if on a computer or tap the screen if using a mobile. Once the boundary is marked, adjust the edges properly and click the Set Brahmasthan button above so that an accurate grid can be generated. Then click on Next and specify how many degrees your property is tilted. If you don't know, use our AppliedVastu Compass app available on the Google Play Store. Open the app, go to 16 Zone Vastu Compass, click on the camera icon above to activate the rear camera, and align it with the scaled layout. Ensure the chakra aligns with the center, the Brahmasthan. Then click the Capture button below to take the image. The captured image will display the degree of tilt. Enter that value here. Now your grid is almost ready. At this stage, you cannot make any changes. If you need to make changes, click on the Back to Start option. Next, select which report you want. We've already discussed the 3 types of reports above. You can download and view samples to see what each report includes. Select the appropriate report. Then enter your name, email, WhatsApp number. Click the I am not a robot box and click Next. Finally, enter your Astro details, birth date, time, and place, and select whether you want only the report or report with consultancy. Then submit the form. After this, the AppliedVastu team will contact you via WhatsApp. And if you want to learn Vastu Shastra in more detail, join our course today. Visit www.appliedvastu.com or message us directly on WhatsApp.